Recently, we added a new feature to the TripCreator itinerary planner where you can choose between having your planner in this list-like view or the original calendar-like view. So if I go to any itinerary that's already in my library, like this one, I can see at the top here which option I have toggled on right now. So as of right now, I'm toggled on the list view planner. If we go to the left to the calendar planner, this is what we originally have and do provide in our itinerary building system. But if you navigate quickly through the list view planner, to the left here, we have our itinerary as a whole. So here we have our dates. And the first thing you'll see next to the date is the destination of your itinerary. And below that, we have our content that's in the itinerary. So if we want to get specific information about the content that's already in my itinerary, I just press the title of the content itself. Here I have my images, the descriptions of the content, as well as address. And also I have the option to clone, basically copying and pasting my content throughout the itinerary, deleting the content, locking it in place, adding travelers, and rescheduling the content. Now you can also reschedule your content by going to the left of the content, left here to the pencil button. When you press that, you can manage your starting date and starting time and ending date and ending time. And when you're done, you just press update. Now, if you want to maybe rescheduling and reorganizing your itinerary way quicker, you can use the drag and drop feature, just holding the content in place and dragging it across either content in a specific date, or you can move it, the content can even move between dates in the itinerary, like so. So to the right here, you have your content management system, where you have your products, you have all of the products, so the products that we provide through TripCreator and the products that you created through your account, and your modules. Now you can choose how big of space you want the content management system to take compared to the planner. So if you drag these two lines here across the interface, you can customize essentially your list view, how much it compares to the content management system. So if you want to add content through your itinerary, you can just go here and search by title. And so this is an Iceland itinerary, so I can just search in here, let's say Iceland for my content. So here I have content that I might want to choose. I press the content. I can see the images, if these are images that I like to add to my itinerary, description. And if I'm satisfied with this content and want it in my itinerary, I just press add to itinerary. However, if I'm absolutely positive that this is a good content and this is the content that I need, I can just use the drag and drop feature and drag it into my itinerary. So very quick, very easy to use. You can also use the full screen option for the content management system if you need. So there you get the full view of the content management system, where you have your interactive map and categories and so on and so forth, more options. And you can also create your own item just through the content management system here to the right. So very quick and very easy. Don't need to go to an external page or anything, just right there in the planner. And lastly, we have another feature, which is called View here at the top, where you can toggle out specific dates in your itinerary to work on. So let's say you have a 14-day itinerary, 2-week itinerary with lots of content in it, and you really need to navigate quickly through the itinerary to work on it faster. You can do so by going to View and clicking that and selecting the specific date that you want to edit or customize. So if I press day 2 here, it will filter day 2 out for me and I can work on that. And reorganizing or adding content to a specific date and saving myself some time essentially.